everyone, welcome to my channel, and I hope you want to follow me along as I paint again for the first time in a couple of months. I want to start off by doing just a little practice. This I will use for another painting. These are the colors I'll be using and my main brush. But what I'll be painting is just something that I started a couple months back, and now I'm finally going to finish it because I got that spark back and I realized it makes me so happy. So please follow along and thank you. I did have a reference I was using at the beginning, but I lost it since it was so many months ago, so I'll just be going based off my imagination and just how I'm feeling with it. No professional, so I'm just having fun and doing what I love. Clothes aren't really my favorite, so that's something I want to try and get better at and just practice, so I don't dislike it as much. These are a few ideas I found off Pinterest that I want to kind of incorporate in here somehow. I'm going to figure it out and see how I can do it exactly, but I think I'm off to a good start with the purple dress. For today, I really wanted to fix her hair. I wanted to give her something more mesmerizing, if you will. So I wanted to do kind of waves or curls. So I figured out a way to make them look just really nice, I think. And I also wanted to fix her skin because it was super pale, and I just wanted to give her some more color. And just fix some of her features because they weren't really defined and it was just a mess. I had another vision with the background, but then I thought about something and I switched it up to blue. I was going to do green, as you can see, but I wanted to go with something else because I have something in mind and I just hope it works out. So stick around to the end and let's see. I had to go to the art store really quick just to pick up a couple things. The main thing I needed was Gamsol because I'm always running out of it for some reason. this is the part I've been wanting to get to. This is the vision I had for it. I was scrolling on Pinterest and I saw these beautiful patterns, and I'm like, I should try to incorporate this into the painting. And honestly, I loved how it turned out at the end, and it just gave it that pop and that finishing touch that it needed. I don't like things to be too plain, so this to me was perfect, and it's nice and whimsy. And I hope you guys like it too. This painting I am going to post on my Etsy account, Etsy shop. I'll leave the link down in my bio. If you guys like to take a look. I do sell a couple little things in my Etsy shop as well, so feel free to go ahead. And thank you guys so much for being on this journey with me, and thank you for staying till the end if you did, and I really do hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much.